before you view this video, I want to say how fantastic the people are at Terry Black's. They welcome you when you get in there. They talk to you. They're so just real laid back and welcoming. I mean, they can just talk and talk to you. And that made me feel welcome there. And I should have gotten her name, but I'm sorry that I didn't get your name. But if you view this, I'm sure you know who you are. We spoke quite a lot, telling me about the history of Terry Black's being a Lockhart and the daily routines of what y'all do with the foods, and explaining on how food is tested before y'all open and to get sent out to even to your bosses to make sure that the food is on par to what it needs to be, which is fantastic coming from a barbecue place. So thank you. You were awesome. I should have gotten your name, but we were just so caught up in conversations that I didn't think about it. You had my attention, and thank you. You made me feel welcome. You kept talking to me whenever I was eating my food to make sure that everything was great. So I really appreciate that. Just the atmosphere there is awesome. So again, everyone that was working there is fantastic. So thank you.
Bobby, that's right. Okay. I knew that I was like, I knew it's something easy, but I couldn't say.
And Dennis comes in with Sonny quite a bit.
You want to see
Dennis?
Is he the tall guy?
Where's glasses?
Yes.
That looks nice.
Sonny,
About how many did you say?
Half a pound?
Dennis?
And Joey.
Joey. I'm going to try to remember. Joey, Bobby, Dennis,
One more is
and
going to say Jed half a
I
bag.
know,
Sweet. And then that sausage ring right there.
Original? How's
Yeah, original right there.
It's a single. Yeah.
We're at a half a pound.
Is it gonna make you log in every time?
You'll have to put in how many guests you have.
Oh,
Yeah, I was putting like 2,000 guests, and I'm like, what's going on?
Oh, no, that is not good. No. Here, let's do this and then we'll...
Oh,
Wait, how much?
God.
Well, I wondered, I was like, why did it say
Was it
2,000?
5-0 or 5-6?
5-0.
dang, man.
It's 5-0,
And then what else?
and then 8 inches.
And that spare rib right there.
This one right here?
Yeah, I'll take that one.
Oh, it's actually cold.
Right.
And then we have... Okay, you can finish. So we've got, so you've got a single of rice.
That's right. 3-3 on sausage.
Sure. Yeah, Brisket and Brisket. 3:30. And then you hit 3-3 when you have a... Is that JC or OG?
OG.
Okay, done. OG. And then hit pork rib.
Hey, that's 3-3.
I know. 3-3 when you're good. Hit done.
Is that going to be it, bud?
Yeah, that's it.
And jalapenos.
All right, I'm excited about today. It's cold here in Texas. It's, I believe, a high of 44 right now. It's about to be 11 in the morning, and I am at Terry Black's Barbecue in Lockhart, Texas. Oh, yeah. And look what I got. Barbecue. Look at that. Rice, jalapeno, pickles and onion, cheese, brisket, sausage, that bread, spare ribs. Now I gotta say, people here are fantastic. They're welcoming, they're awesome. When I was talking with them, when they're cutting up my food, they're explaining to me about, Terry Black's and, their business that's branched out throughout Texas now and part of the Black family, though, but they're separate from each other for family issues. But, it is what it is, and it's just awesome. And speaking to them, and they hooked it up. Only bought one spare rib. They gave me one extra. They gave me a slice of turkey. So that's awesome. So I'm gonna grab that on that right now. And some burn-ins too. Nice. Oh man. It's moist, not dry. Oh man. Oh. Taste that pepper. Man, that's nice. And look at that. pits are right outside. You walk by, the smell of that smoke. Some sausage. I want some sausage. Yeah. That's good. Man. I love bread. That turkey. That's nice. And look at that. Hey, that's bite through. It was perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Rib? What do you think? It was good, right? Oh man. All right. This is one tasty rib right here. Oh man. It is good. Oh man. It has got flavor. Oh yeah, guys. Yeah, it does got flavor right there. Man. Try some of that rice. Oh. Oh, that's good. That is real good. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that. What do you think? Beautiful, huh? One more time. Now that is the shit right there. That's delicious. I'm telling you, this is some good food right here. Some real good food. It's nice out here. Nice setup. A lot of tables. Plenty of tables inside. Plenty of tables outside. And you eat outside right next to the pits. That's what's so awesome about this place. It's awesome like that. And just to set up here, come out here during the day, at night, just eat barbecue, hang with your friends, your family, your loved ones. Yeah. Look at that working. Man, that's the life right there. That's the life right there. I gotta say this. The rice here is fantastic. It is so good. This is a single serving right here. So that was enough, but I'm telling you. Oh man, that is good. You smell that, folks. I'm telling you, man, that's the life right there. That's the life. This is so awesome that they have the pits right out here. You can eat next to the pits. That is awesome. This is a awesome place right here. Awesome place. All right, guys. This has been a great experience here. It has been awesome. I'm telling you, this is the place to go when you want to eat some great barbecue. Enjoy your time. Great atmosphere here. And it's just awesome. Eat indoors, eat outdoors, eat next to the pits. Can't get any better than that. Out here, you smell the smoke, smell the post-soak. I mean, see them at work, see them tending to the food that you're gonna eat. It's been awesome. I'm telling you, everything I ate was great. But the standouts for me were the brisket and the pork ribs. They were delicious. And throw in the Mexican rice. Oh man, that Mexican rice is legit. I'm telling you, I could eat more of it. It was that good, real good. So next time I come back, I'm definitely gonna probably get a upsizing than what I got in that single. The Mexican rice was good, but brisket's delicious, pork ribs delicious, the jalapenos, it got me a little bit, but it's awesome. Great place here. I mean, just look at that. My background is that. Ain't nothing better than that. This is an awesome place. So if you're come down to Lockhart, Texas, stop by Terry Black's Barbecue, you will not be disappointed. Trust me on that. Well, I think it's time for me to head out. Time to drive back home. It's full. I'm stuffed. So thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Let's smoke on, everyone.